Hello everyone, I am Srishti Lokhande and I welcome you to Nivasa Group. Today we are here to check out one of their projects. But before checking out this project, I would like to tell you about Nivasa Group. We are in real estate sector from last 12 years, have been delivered 1 million square feet and ongoing projects of around 1.4 million square feet. 1400 plus happy families are connected with Nivasa Group. Along with our projects are built near IT hubs, schools and hospitals. So let us check out their new project, that is Nivasa Ananya. So now let us talk about our new project, that is Nivasa Ananya. This project is located in the heart of Khese Park, Lohegaon, where we are providing you multiple ranges of apartments in different variants like 2, 2.5 and 3 BHK, starting from carpet 652 to 996 square feet and the priced between 65 lakhs to 96 lakhs all inclusive. So now let us check out the model and let me explain you the overall project. Now behind me you can check out the model of this project. So let me first explain you the connectivity. We have 50 feet sanctioned DP road which will be connecting you to Lohegaon Airport Road and Viman Nagar. Now talking about the overall project, the project consists 6 towers out of which we are launching 4 towers of phase 1. The towers have 7 floors and 2 level parking in basement and ground. Now we have 2 different amenities provided. Rooftop amenities where you will be provided with senior citizen sitting deck, yoga deck, multi-activity area, feature wall, paragola with sitters and viewing deck where you will be getting a beautiful view of airport. You are also getting ground level amenities constructed on over 10,000 square feet area where you will be getting multi-purpose court, kids play area, temple, party lawn, clubhouse, indoor games area, multi-purpose hall, gymnasium, swimming pool, open gym as well as barbecue area. Now let us check out the sample flat. So here we are to check out the sample flat with the carpet of 996 3 BHK. Now first priority is your security. So you get this digital door lock for your security. At the entrance you get lobby of 5.8 by 5 with separate niche area for your shoe rack. Now as we enter we get this huge living room of 15 by 10. And you also get attached balcony with Euro section glasses which gives you noise cancellation and a full size door for better light and ventilation. Now let us check out the balcony. So balcony is all side covered balcony with toughened glass railing and anti-skid tiles. So you can enjoy the view from your balcony. Now let's check out rest of the flat. Now let us check out the suite dining area of 7.11 by 9.5 in L shape with living. And now my favorite room, that is kitchen. Kitchen we get of 10 by 8 with L shaped granite platform and tile protection to your wall. And we get dry balcony of 8 by 3.8. Now let us check out all other bedrooms. Now the first bedroom we are going to check out is common bedroom or could be used as a study room. So this is the bedroom of dimension 11 by 9 where you can put your wardrobe this side, bed this side, and also we get full size French window with again Euro section glasses for noise cancellation and better light and ventilation into your room. Now we are going to check out the foyer area. This will be the foyer area and on left hand side we get our first common wash area. In all washrooms you get anti-skid tiles, water to wall vitrified tiles of 2 by 4, CP sanitary fittings of Jaguar and provision for geyser. Moving on to the next bedroom, that is guest room. Guest room of 11 by 10.6 with attached washroom. आप यहाँ पर wardrobe लगा सकते हो, यहाँ पर bed लगा सकते हो और आपके washroom में आपको फिर से दिया जाएगा anti-skid tiles, wall to wall vitrified tiles, CP sanitary fittings of Jaguar and provision for geyser. And finally the full size French window with Euro section glasses for you to enjoy your scenery from your bedroom itself. And the star of the house, that is master bedroom. Master bedroom of giant 12 by 11 with attached master washroom and attached master balcony. And rest of the master bedroom, यहाँ पर आप अपना बेड लगा सकते हो. यहाँ पर आपको विंडो दिया गया है for cross ventilation. उसी के साइड में आप एक बड़ा सा wardrobe रख सकते हो. And here now let's check out the balcony. This balcony is of 7 by 5. It's all side covered balcony with toughened glass railing and anti-skid tiles for your safety. If you're liking this property, contact us right now to grab this property with thoughtful designs and elevated experience only for you at Nivasa Ananya. Come here at our sales office to get the information on pricing, discounts and to buy your property and welcome you to Nivasa family.